Some fans ask why the rubber wheel belt has abnormal sound. Firstly, it may be the wheel belt is too loose due to the tension. Then the belt slips and rattles. Secondly, it may be the upper and lower pulleys are not centered, or the back abrasion causes the belt to turn over. Thirdly, it may be the deflection of the pulley leads to the rattles. Follow me, I will let you know more about the industrial belts.